You're doing so well. Using your little pointer finger and thumb and grabbing things. Oh, and then dropping them for Buttercup. No. No. Don't drop it. Goes in your mouth. There you go. Good job. Yeah. So good at chewing. Are you all done with your snack? Do you want more? Hmm? What are you doing? Here. Here's some more. Hey. Trying to be sneaky there? No dropping them. I caught that one on film. No, no, no. Don't just drop them. Put them in your mouth. Good job. If you don't want them, you don't have to put them in your mouth. You could just leave them on your tray. Oh, the tray just locked, huh? Are you done? Are you all done with your snack, Mimo? You don't want to eat anymore? Good job. Good job. Don't forget to chew it. Oh, Buttercup. Good job. All done? Mimo, show Mommy all done. All done? Can you show Mommy all done? All done? Mimo. All done. All done? Yay, all done. Good job.